Hi guys, in today's video we'll be going over how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. The steps are pretty similar to adding fractions. You can check that out in my previous video. So when dealing with fractions, we always want to make sure that the denominators are the lowest common multiple. So here's an example to illustrate this. We're going to do 1/2 minus 2/7, okay? So the way I like to approach this problem is to find the common multiple between 2 and 7. So in this case, there really isn't a common multiple, so the way I like to figure this out is to do the denominators of each fraction multiplied by each other. So let me show you. We're going to do 7 times 2 here, and whatever you do to the denominator to do this to the numerator, so it's going to be 7 times 1. So it'll be 7/14, minus, and then it'll be 7 times 2, same thing for the numerator, so it's going to be 4/14. So then we're going to just subtract it normally. We'll do 7 minus 4 over 14. So that's going to equal 3/14. So now I'm going to go over another example. We're going to do 3/4 minus 1/6. Okay, so we're going to approach this problem in a similar way. So in this case, you have to think about your multiplication table. We don't have to do 6 times 4 or 4 times 6. There's a smaller number that's a multiple of both of these numbers. So in this case, we're going to use 12. So we'll do 3 times 4, and then 3 times 3. We'll get 9/12. And now we're going to subtract, and we'll do 6 times 2, and then 1 times 2. So then we get 2/12. So then we're going to do 9 minus 2 over 12, and that'll give you 7/12. And you can see that it's different from the first problem because I found the lowest common multiple, the lowest common denominator, which is 12. So we didn't need to multiply 4 times 6 or 6 times 4 because 12 is a lesser number. So let me show you why we do this and find the lowest common multiple. So let's just have the same problem, 3/4 minus 1/6. We'll do 6 times 4, 6 times 3, we'll get 18/24, 6 times 4, 1 times 4, and sorry about that. It'll be 18/24 minus 4/24, which will give us 14/24, which will give us 7/12. So as you could see, they're both the same answer, but finding the lowest common denominator saves us a step so we don't have to simplify the fraction here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thanks.